look what I got. I got the Walmart beauty box, and I am beyond excited to get this opened. Now they have, if you guys are not familiar with Walmart beauty boxes, it's like $7 for four times a year. So you just get it, a package 4 times a year. It's like $7. And for a while there, the items were good, and then they kind of sucked, and I was about to cancel, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it one more try. And the items in here have been really great. I've been getting like full-size items lately. Like, I just kind of like it, and I get a lot of stuff that I want to travel. So if you guys are like interested in the Walmart beauty box, it'll cost you like $28, give or take, for an entire year. And I think it's awesome, awesome, awesome. I think you fill out like a survey and all that stuff, but we're gonna dig in and see what we got. So this is the winter box, okay? The winter box. So inside they always give you like a little card that says the winter edit, and then these are all the items that they have inside, and then sometimes you get stuff that they don't. Oh, okay, I'm already seeing something that's awesome. But sometimes you get stuff that they don't even see. But this is what I'm excited for. We have the Tangle Tweezers. So this is a detangling hairbrush. Now I see on TikTok all the time the unbrush, and I don't know how well that works. Like, I really want to try it. I see people using it non-stop, and like they're like, oh, it works, it works, it works, but sometimes I don't know if they're truly like just pushing it or not. But I'm really excited to try this. It kind of has the same bristles as the unbrush, and like my daughter, her hair is always tangled. Yes, we do use a wet brush, but it doesn't seem to help. But I am not even seeing this on here. So let me get my phone, because this is a full-size item. So this is from Straight to Curly Hair. I can't use this on my hair right now because I have product in my hair and it's like in the afternoon. But we're gonna check and see how much this costs at Walmart. So this right here is $12.97. $12.97. And this was in my $7 box. So I'm just saying that is totally worth it. This is another full-size item. I've been actually looking at purchasing this. Today I was at Walmart looking at this. So this is a full-size item, and this is $10. It says it's $10 on the little care card. So let's just scan it and see how much it truly does cost. I didn't think it was $10. $3.97. So the full-size item, so this does say it's full-size item, and it says it's $10, okay? $10, but my Walmart sells this for $3.97. So Walmart, yeah, yeah, unless they're talking about like the big bottle. This has a color on it, but this is vanilla cashmere, and I'm pretty excited for this. I was actually like looking, I just got some EOS lip balm because I keep using the Nivea, but I feel like my lips are drying up, so I want something a little bit better. But right there, $3.97. Okay, then we have a little sample of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. This is perfect for traveling, you guys. This is just a 1.1 ounce little travel size item. This is not in my thing either, but I know like you could get this for like probably $2, give or take, or $1 in the travel section. So we got that. I got 2 more full-size items, you guys. I only got a couple items this time, but I got all full-size. So this says it is e.l.f. It is a lip exfoliator in brown sugar. It says the full-size item is $5. Let's scan it and see if they're lying to me. $5. $5. So this is a full-size product again for $5. I'm pretty excited for this, you guys. I actually want to try this. It is a lip exfoliator, and it's brown sugar, which I'm fine with brown sugar. Really, we're gonna play this game. We're gonna play this game today. But yeah, so it really does smell like brown sugar, and it's probably okay. I can feel the sugar part. So apply to clean, damp lips, massage in a circular motion to exfoliate, and then use moistened cotton pad with water to gently wipe and scrub away. So this is perfect for me. Perfect for me. And I don't know if it tints your lips or anything, but loving it, loving it, loving it. And then I also got a black, it's called Matte Jet Black. It's a CoverGirl eyeliner. Now here it says it's $6.98. $6.98. So I ended up getting a full size item of the eyeliner, and I actually need new eyeliner, and I've been using Ulta's eyeliner for like the last couple years, and I think I'm gonna change it up a little bit. So okay, I told you guys I paid $7 for this box. $7. We got $6.97 or $6.98 for the eyeliner. Okay, we got $5 for the e.l.f. lip. We got $3.97. Walmart, you're not all there, for the hand lotion. And then I got the detangler, which was what, $12.97. And then we also got the little thing of the Aveeno moisturizer, so I'm just gonna say that's like $1. I got $29.92, all for $7, you guys. I love my box. This is probably one of the most useful boxes I've gotten. In the past, I've gotten some other stuff, and I don't really use a lot of that stuff. Everything in this box, I will be using, and I'm pretty excited. But they do have a facial buffer, which I'm not sure what that is. A hair cream. They do have a liquid black eyeliner. That would have been cool to get. Some kind of whitening for your teeth. They do have number 7, where it's a damage reversal facial serum. They do have a Sally Hansen manicure nail kit, which would have been kind of cool to get. And then they have some Urban Skin RX, a Soap and Glory item, and then there is a Wet n Wild item. But I am pretty excited. I love this box. This is probably one of the best boxes I have ever gotten. You guys, I'm not trying to like push getting the Walmart box, but this is by far the best box I have ever gotten, from what I can think of. Because I actually have some of the items that I've gotten in the past, but this, and I'm hoping this hairbrush works, especially for my daughter. Especially for my daughter who refuses to get her hair combed. But if you guys enjoy this box, make sure you let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. I'm so excited for my items. But I will see you guys later. Hopefully you guys have an awesome day. If you want, just Google Walmart beauty box and you guys can get one too, just like I did. You may or may not get the winter one, but you never know. Something might surprise you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye. Okay, we're just going to test this out. Oh my god. That, oh, this is a game changer. Does that feel better on your hair? It's just a regular pink hairbrush. This one's better than the one we use. Isn't it? You being silly? Oh my god, this is awesome.